Hi everyone, this is Farhana and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I have worked on my voice cloning project because there were several people, they were interested to know that how I have used speech to text and text to speech conversion using my own voice, which I call Farhana V 2.0 on my videos. So it is, if you follow the step, it is quite straightforward, I would say. So first you need to get the access on Azure. It is Azure Speech Studio, which I'm using to train the model using AI. So it is with Azure Microsoft Preview. So they are not providing access to everybody by default. So you need to have active subscription. It's not available. It's available in few regions, but not everywhere. So I'm using the US region. So it's available here. Then after that, after getting the access, you have to work on your voice sample. It need at least 20 samples to be available for training the model, and maximum there are 50. I'm using the light version, which is more straightforward than the pro one. So I'm using 50 samples, and then I am using those samples to train the model, and then I deploy using Azure Speech Studio Cognitive services. So let's get started. So let me show you how things works over here. So this is Azure Cognitive Services, where I just logged in. And then I went to speech.microsoft.com portal. And here I have used my voice to train the model. And there are actually a couple of steps, which is quite self-explanatory. So here you need to come to start a custom voice project. And then let's see what are the capabilities custom neural voice works provide. So let's hear this with me.
Hi, welcome to Custom Neural Voice, a speech service capability on Azure. I'm Jenny, a synthetic voice created by Custom Neural Voice, and happy that you're here. Custom Neural Voice, sometimes referred to as CNV, is an AI tool that lets you create a branded synthetic voice that is highly natural sounding from your sample audio files. With CNV, you can create 10 speaking styles with only one set of audio samples. So I can sound cheerful like this, or really sad, like this. And here is the secret. I can whisper too. Another secret of Custom Neural Voice is that I can be multilingual with one simple process. I can speak in Chinese like 你好，我的名字是珍妮, and other languages like Hello, my name is Jenny. Bonjour, je m'appelle Jenny. 안녕하세요, 제 이름은 제니입니다. konnichiwa, 私の名前は Jenny です. In CNV, there are two different types of projects, Pro and Lite. Speaking styles and multilingual features are only available for Pro projects at the moment. But with Lite, you can quickly test Custom Neural Voice within an hour. Just record 20 samples of your voice online by reading provided scripts, and train a light voice. I've put together more information below. I hope that helps. Are you ready to start to create a synthetic voice? Be sure to read information about responsible use of AI and the limited access of CNV, then apply with your use case to use light voice or start creating a pro voice project. Once you have created your CNV voice, use it in your application with text-to-speech API, or create audio content with ACC, the audio content creation tool also on Speech Studio. Thank you for listening.
Okay, so let's see what the script is. And I will show you how exactly I can use my voice to convert this. So just bear with me. So I am in Speech Studio. Here I have already converted and trained for my language, for my voice. So let me select that. I have put the text, and let me select me, and here it is.
Hi, welcome to Custom Neural Voice, a speech service capability on Azure. I'm Jenny, a synthetic voice created by Custom Neural Voice, and happy that you're here. Custom Neural Voice, sometimes referred to as CNV, is an AI tool that lets you create a branded synthetic voice that is highly...
So you see that, I mean, this is pretty straightforward, right? How it will work, so let me take you to the screen where we can use this. So basically, as Jenny said, so there are 6 simple steps. So you need to apply for access. You need to design voice, prepare script, record, train, and integrate. So today I'm showing you how you can design the voice, because I have already done apply for access. So what I'm going to do, I will tell you how you can design your voice, and then rest of the step will show you in later stage. I'm going to use a light project because this is the most easiest one to start. So let me come here and train with CNV Lite.
As I write, it's June 2017.
Okay. So now I will come here. I'm going to say create a new project. I will do custom neural voice Lite, as I said. So come next. Next is Farhana 2.0. This is training video. Of course, it's female. I want to select English as of now, and I agree. Now I create. Now I come here and let's get started. So first I need to sign the term of use, which I'm going to accept it. So now press microphone to start noise check. Noise detected, so I need to make sure that I'm sitting in a quiet room and it's working fine. Let's go. So the next step is to repeat what it says here, record and listen if it is working properly. So let's start. Our differences are what make us beautiful and unique. Okay, so volume was too high, so let me try again. Our differences are what make us beautiful and unique. Still, volume is too high. Let me try again. Our differences are what make us beautiful and unique. Okay, so now there's a little bit clearness problem, but volume was okay. So let me try one more time. Our differences are what make us beautiful and unique. Our differences are what make us beautiful and unique. Oh my God, come on, give me a break. Our differences are what make us beautiful and unique. Okay. Our differences are what make us beautiful and unique. Our differences are what make us beautiful and unique. Our differences are what make us beautiful and unique. Our differences are what make us beautiful and unique. Okay, I think I will go for the next one. Because there are 50 recording sample you need to do, and it required at least 20. So let's do this. Just past the museum, a large open grassy area comes into view. Okay. Just past the museum, a large open grassy area comes into view. Oops, not views, view. Just past the museum, a large open grassy area comes into view. Oh my God. Just past the museum, a large open grassy area comes into view. Okay, I can still use this probably. And let me do the third one. If I were in your position, I would feel exactly the same. Okay. Now here, basically, it says recording quality is okay, screen. So I'm just going to listen if it is really okay. If I were in your position, I would feel exactly the same. Just past the museum, a large open grassy area comes into view. Our differences are what make us beautiful and unique. Okay, so now I will move on to the next one. You are perfect and deserve all the love in the entire world. What do we want to do with the family? What do we want to do with the family? He probably had an important conversation with his father. They get back into their car and drive off. They get back into their car and drive off. I have a lot of furniture and a lot of books. I have lots of furniture and a lot of books. Okay, try again. I have a lot of furniture and a lot of books. I have a lot of furniture and a lot of books. Okay, so basically I'm going through all those recordings. It has to have at least 20 samples. And then after that, I will train the model, which I have already trained it, and will show you. So this is my finished project, which I already, it's called male. I don't know why it has to be a female, but it doesn't make any difference. So let me come here, and this I have already recorded, tested, and built, and actually deploy as well. So let me play some of the recording.
We compared this information with best practices. Now put yourself in my place for a moment. That was perhaps the greatest game I've ever watched. Those boots are so new and beautiful that I would like to wear them. That's a good way to get the day started.
So you see now I have, which I've already worked on 50 samples. And now after that, I trained the model, which basically took 0.8 hours, which is less than 1 hour, like 20 minutes or 40 minutes around. And then I am going to the main screen where I can use some text and see how it is working. So this is me. And I am going to say, hi, this is Farhana, and welcome to my channel. So you see that here I am just typing the text, and I can go to as many text as I want, right? So here I need to say select voice name. So I'm going to say right now in my voice, and then I will use my neural network to repeat the same thing. Hi, this is Farhana, and welcome to my channel. Now let Farhana 2.0 repeat this.
Hi, this is Farhana, and welcome to my channel.
So here you will see that I have written and prepared some text. I will put it in the screen in the Azure Cognitive Services, and let's see how it will be converted. So here I have added my text here. So I have selected Farhana, and here we go.
Cognitive Services brings AI within reach of every developer and data scientist. With leading models, a variety of use cases can be unlocked. All it takes is an API call to embed the ability to see, hear, speak, search, understand, and accelerate advanced decision-making into your apps. Enable developers and data scientists of all skill levels to easily add AI capabilities to their apps. There are many voice cloning AI softwares are available. I'm using Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services Voice Assistant Text-to-Speech Custom Neural Voice CNV. It lets you create a natural-sounding synthetic voice that is trained on human voice recordings. Your custom voice can adapt across languages and speaking styles, and is perfect for adding a one-of-a-kind voice to your text-to-speech solutions.
So you see that it is quite natural and quite simple at the same time. So instead of, if you are going to work on some training videos, you can use this model to speak on your behalf. You can use the knowledge, the language converter as well. So if you don't know Mandarin, for example, but you want to produce some voice material, then you can use the multilingual support, and it can be converted into different language. You can add the expression, you can add different kind of voice pitch. You can have the silence, the punctuations. All of these things are pretty much very easy to achieve.